Hi, Mary Austin Lilieva. Here is my dorm when there's a blizzard outside, which means my dorm is clean. And there's Dana, and then there's the white snow. Oh goodness, there's ice there. Was that on the camera? Oh, my nose is sticking out. Hi, Mary Austin Lilieva. I went to the music building and I found Hannah.
Yep, I'm
and
here.
There's the blizzard. That's not well. Sometimes it's very blizzardy.
Well, you can only see some of it right now.
Because we're inside a building.
Yep.
And this is the practice room.
It's a very small blizzard right now.
There I am. There's my music. And there's my flute.